Are you ready to elevate your ISO 9001 journey with expert e-coaching? Introducing ISO 9001 e-coaching, your path to success. Let's explore how this program can empower you. Level A offers in-depth coaching and hands-on support to prepare for your ISO 9001 certification audit. Level B takes your readiness to the next level with advanced coaching and a comprehensive suite of ISO documents. Level C provides the pinnacle of ISO 9001 preparation with advanced coaching, ISO documents, and a pre-audit for proactive certification readiness. Regardless of the level you choose, you'll benefit from customized coaching, expert insights from Dr. Mohammed Ali Ibrahim, access to essential ISO documents, pre-audit excellence, and the confidence to ace the ISO 9001 certification audit. Who should enroll? Quality management professionals, operations managers, business owners, compliance officers, internal auditors, and consultants, all seeking to enhance their ISO 9001 journey. And meet your international ISO coach, Dr. Mohammed Ali Ibrahim, a globally recognized expert with a wealth of knowledge and a collaborative approach. Dr. Ibrahim's coaching philosophy centers around collaboration, ensuring tailored solutions for your unique challenges. Ready to ignite your ISO 9001 success? Choose your e-coaching level and embark on a transformative journey towards ISO 9001 excellence. With Dr. Ibrahim's guidance and our proven resources, you're guaranteed success in mastering ISO 9001. Don't wait any longer. Propel your ISO 9001 certification journey today. Start your journey with Dr. Ibrahim now and unlock ISO excellence.